Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have another sneak peek for you. It's like Christmas came early. Oh, Christmas is in a few days' time. Anyway, today I'm showing you some of the products from the Peaceful Poppies suite, and I decided to make one of my infamous fat-bottomed bags because they've got a big fat bottom and they're squishy and I love them. And this is slightly taller than I usually make, so I wanted to get as much of this particular DSP on show. Now this is the Peaceful Poppies DSP, which I'm going to bring in and show you, and it is all gorgeous. This is the one I'm going to be using today. This is the one I did use. They've got reasonably plain backs to them. This is the one that I used before, and so it cuts in half, which means you get these great panels like this. But I wanted a little bit of the green. If I'd cut it and scored it where I originally did, where I've done them in the past, it folds to about that point, but I lost all of the green and I needed the green in. Anyway, let me keep showing you the papers. Just gorgeous. I would suspect this isn't going to last very long. We demonstrators get pre-order during December, and at the time I'm filming this, pre-order started 2 days ago, and one of my team posted in the group and said I went to place my order and it's on back order already. So I know that they've got loads coming in, but I would say ain't gonna last very long. Okay, get it while you can. So you need a piece of paper that is 6 by 12 inches. If you work in metric, that is going to be 15 1/4 by 30 1/2. So basically just cut your piece of paper in half. Okay, on the long side, score it at 2 7/8, 5 3/4, 8 5/8, and 11 1/2 inches, which in metric is 7, 14, 21, 28. Super easy. On the short side, this time you're going to be scoring it 1 5/8 of an inch, which is in metric 1 5/8 of 4 centimetres. There we go. Oh. So burnish everything. The paper is just divine. We've got stamps. We've got 2 stamp sets that go with this suite and 2 sets of dies, and they interchange quite happily with one another. I'm interestingly not using the stamps because there is something I really want to show you, and I'm still a bit gobsmacked at the price, to be honest. I have double checked, it's not wrong. So let me build up the bag, keep the anticipation high. Okay, so you can see what I've done there. I've taken away the bottom corner and I've just separated there. So I'm going to use my trusty tear and tape. And fold it to a close. And then, as you can see, it just meets up. So I'm suggesting that you put tear and tape on what will be both the front and the back. It does overlap. Nothing's going to fall out of the bottom, but it's just worth putting a little extra on. So where's my back? I've lost the back. That's the back. So I'm going to put that one down first. And then the front. Well, like I say, it does overlap. I'm just going to get my bone folder in there to push down. I lost the back and the front again. There's the front. So when you push, it does meet all the way in the middle. As you can see, absolutely perfectly. And if you use your fingers on the sides to manipulate it, you get this wonderful dome shape. Here, it's lovely and smooth, and I love it. Love these boxes. Okay, let me get a couple of pegs because I want to put my ribbon on and I want to get it super tight. And we've got a new crinkle seam binding ribbon, and it's pure white. Just lovely. We've got this in crushed curry, and it's very slightly wider than this white one. As you can see, it's a bit wider, but this one you can totally colour up as much as you like, and when it was being demonstrated on stage they were colouring it with blends, with markers, straight through an ink pad, all sorts. So right, I'm leaning this against my tummy and my box against that, so that it's acting like a third hand for me, you know, because sometimes we need 3 hands with a bow. Oh. I can't get hold of the ribbon. Yay! You've got a bow. What I like about seam binding ribbon is that it's really forgiving for bow challenged folk like me. And that's just a really cute flopsy doxy bow. Right, so let me show you what has got me going, what? That's insanely cheap. So we have, they're known as Peaceful Poppy Elements, and this is the pack you get, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to tell you how much it is. So you get 2 sheets of everything, and this is black cardstock with, well, I suppose like clear embossing over the top, and so that's one sheet, and that's the other. And then you get 2 sheets of these, and they're die cut cardstock. They're not stickers, they're cardstock, and again super shiny. This is vellum, and you get 2 sheets of these, and I think I've got, that's the right way up, and they've got white embossing on. You can see it in the centre of the poppies. Oh, actually, look, do you know what, shall I put something black underneath? So, and they're die cut as well. You just pop them out and you could colour over those. There's 2 sheets of those. And then these are watercolour paper, and again die cut, and I'm trying to catch the light, with white on them as well. Amazing. So you get all of that lot for £6. £6? What is that in euros? £7.75. That's bonkers. I just, really? How cheap? That cheap? Okay, I'll have a bit of that. Right, let me get some of these off. So I'm literally just grabbing a couple. He's going to be lasting me forever. £6. £6, really? Goodness me. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of dimensionals on the back of there, into the middle. I'm going to put 1 dimensional on the right hand side there, and then 1 at the lower part there. I'll put that on there. Oh, I've already taken the back off. I'm trying to take the back off and there's no back to come off. And that's on there. And how gorgeous is that? Just lovely. I love it. Absolutely love it. Seriously, £6. Oh, bonkers. Anyway, I hope you like it. I hope you like my little sneak peek. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.